You know that feeling, right? The absolute chaos of a morning rush. But what if, and hear me out, a 5-minute fix could totally upgrade your breakfast game? Well, today we're going to break down a simple power bowl that promises to do just that.
Does this look even a little bit familiar? The alarm goes off and bam, the race is on. Getting yourself ready, maybe getting kids sorted, just trying to get out the door. And in all that madness, breakfast just feels impossible.
It all really boils down to this, doesn't it? This feeling of having absolutely zero time. With a million things on your plate, carving out even 10 minutes for a real meal feels like a total luxury.
And what happens when you have no time? All too often, it's this. You grab a coffee, run out the door, and promise yourself you'll eat something later. And that one little decision can throw your whole day's energy completely off track. Or you fall into the other trap. You grab that sugary pastry or a processed bar that, yeah, it gives you a quick jolt, but then comes that dreaded mid-morning crash. It's a tough cycle to break. But here's the good news. There's a simple, kind of elegant, and really wholesome answer to all this morning chaos. The source material we're digging into today presents a solution that could be a complete game changer for your routine.
You know, what I love about this is the vibe it gives off. The source describes it as the kind of meal you'd find on a farmhouse table. And that, it just immediately makes you think of something simple, satisfying, and made with good, honest stuff.
And this is the magic number, the core promise, 5 minutes. That is all it takes to go from feeling rushed and hungry to feeling calm and totally nourished. It's pretty hard to argue with that.
So what is this brilliant solution? All right, let's give it its full name. The Farmhouse Honey Yogurt Power Bowl. It's simple, it's descriptive, and it tells you pretty much everything you need to know right there.
So why does this actually work so well? Well, its secret isn't some complicated formula, it's all about the power of simplicity, just using a few key ingredients that work together perfectly.
And here they are. Take a look. Notice there are no obscure powders or hard-to-find superfoods here. It's just a classic combo, a solid protein base with the Greek yogurt, a natural sweetener, some fiber-rich oats, and that really satisfying crunch from a fresh apple and walnuts. Simple, honest, and it just works.
But even in this super simple list, the source material points to one ingredient as the undisputed star of the whole show. Yep, it's the raw honey. And it's not just there to make it taste good, it's a source of natural, quick-release energy. See, unlike processed sugar that can give you that sharp spike and crash, the honey gives you a much more stable energy lift. You can think of it as clean fuel to get your morning started right.
Okay, so we know the what and the why. Now for the how. And I promise you, this part is just as simple and stress-free as that ingredient list was.
Okay, check this out. You literally just spoon a cup of yogurt into a bowl. Drizzle that amazing honey over the top, sprinkle on your oats, apple, and nuts, a little dash of cinnamon, maybe some berries if you're feeling it, give it a quick stir, and you're done. It's less of a recipe and more of like a simple assembly. That's it. And in those 5 short minutes, what have you really accomplished? You've created this wholesome payoff that sets a totally different tone for your entire day. You're actually starting your morning feeling energized and in control. So let's just quickly recap why this thing is such a powerhouse. It's packed with protein from the yogurt, which keeps you feeling full. It gives you clean energy from simple, whole ingredients. And the best part? It takes just 5 minutes to throw together, proving that a great start to the day doesn't have to be complicated.
But wait, before we finish up, the source material offers one last, fantastic little tip to really elevate the whole experience.
They call this the farmhouse twist. So if you have, say, a couple of extra minutes, maybe on a weekend, serving this power bowl next to some warm, buttered toast with another little drizzle of honey, man, it just makes it feel extra special and comforting.
And that pretty much brings us to the end. It's a simple idea, for sure, but a really powerful one. Knowing that a delicious, energizing, and satisfying breakfast is only 5 minutes away, well, the only question left is, how are you going to upgrade your morning?